The great work is God has given us through his life. He is a great medical missionary, and in our OTG group also we have to understand this medical mission work also, because in coming days we can't preach and we can't teach with the brothers, because whole system is going to be collapse and they are going to shutting down the doors to preaching on the public and running the churches. We know the prophecy is accurately telling us, but which work is going to be continue is medical missionary work. So medical missionary work is very important role in our mission field. So we have to train every pastor and every believer to be a medical missionary, because soon when they shut down we can't gather together in one place, but we will be a personal witness to the Lord Jesus Christ. How can we will be? When people will come to us, we are doing some natural healing practice and we are teaching them how to make the juices, how to heal the little ingredients. By the little ingredients, how can we heal big diseases? And we know those methods. So we have to train each one of our OTG brothers about the medical missionary work. When the time comes, when the gospel work will be stopped, then the medical missionary work will be continue, and whoever coming to us, we will tell them about this one true God message by doing some massage, by giving one glass of juice, and by making something smoothie for them, and by telling them about the 8 laws of health, by telling them about the health issues and health counseling. So that will be very powerful weapon in another hand. One side is gospel and another side is medical missionary work. These two have to go together in the mission field. So we have to train our medical missionaries to be have to train all the brothers and sisters. At least they must know something to do in their homes for their kids and for their family. Because once we say that we are the holy and we are holy temple for the Lord, according to the 1 Corinthians 3:16, and we must be clean our body, and we must be holy temple to Him. So then only God's Spirit will be dwelling in us, the Spirit of Christ will be dwelling in us. So we have to teach to our brothers also about the medical missionary work, how to heal the diabetic, how to heal the high BP, how to heal sugars, and how to heal the other illness, how to heal the cancer, how to heal the kidney stones. This is very small methods, because we are not doing the healing, but God is going to deal with those cases, and we have to know at least some methods and natural remedies to decide to give the treatment with those diseases.
Pastor, do you have in mind to set up some kind of an institute that will to forward this agenda?
Yes, actually I have a small clinic here, and I am I am opening a door for anybody want to come and learn here. We are here to train them about the medical missionary work, how to check the BP, how to find out the diseases, because I have been trained well by the few senior medical missionaries, and also I have been studying lot of medical stuff. So I have been treating here almost 400 patients. So I have a lot of experience with the cancer and kidney stones and gallbladder stones and intestine diseases and BP and sugars. All these experiences I have. So we have a small training institution here. If anybody want to come and learn, welcome. I welcome them. I am willing to teach them. I am willing to tell them how to find out the disease, how to find out what he is having the disease, and how to treat them with simple natural remedies. No need to go for the surgery, no need to go for the stitches, no need to use the lot of medicine. No, we are against to the medicine. We are giving the natural healing according to the Bible. Genesis chapter 1 verse 29 explaining, and Daniel chapter 1 verse 12. We are making them to be a vegan diet, and vegetarian diet will be bringing lot of properties in their body, and God is going to touch their body and they are getting the healing. I am willing to teach them. If anybody want to come and stay, anybody want to learn, let them come. they can come and stay. We will give them a good room. They have rooms here. They can stay here. They can learn, and also they can participate in my mission field, and they can come and share their testimony, and they can work in the community. That's welcome. I welcome them to come here, so they can come. That will, yeah.
Pastor, you mentioned about cancer.
Yeah.
Is this natural healing process, does it help you?
Yes, natural healing process, natural healing methods will be helping cancer diseases, because cancer is not a big dangerous disease, because the pharma companies made cancer is a big atom bomb, like that. They created big picture. It is very simple remedy. When our body will be in the pH alkaline balance, the cancer cell cannot be survive in pH level balanced body, because when we have acidic levels is high, the cancer cell will be grow. What is the natural remedy for the treating of cancer is garlic, and mostly wheat grass, and that's why I planted wheat grass in my flower buckets. You can see the wheat grass. The wheat grass is the best one to make your body pH alkaline, and it can make you 7.2. The pH must be on the alkaline, and your body must be in alkaline. Your blood and your everything must be in the alkaline. Where there is an alkaline body, cancer cell cannot be grow. Yeah.
And so, if anyone signs up for that program,
Yeah.
how much does
Actually, we are not taking any service charges from them. We are doing free service, and whatever they need, the ingredients for the treating them, to giving the food and juices, for them only we are charging them. I am here free service. My service is free, because God has given me the free. I have to give to the free. But whatever the people want to come and attend for this 1 week program or 2 weeks program, and then we will charge them according to their food and ingredients, whatever we are buying, they have to pay all these things. But that one also we can't provide, because we are independent, very little group here. We are not getting any support from anyone, and it may be for 1 week program, it may be 15,000 rupees. They no need to buy anything from outside. Whole 1 week program we will run here. We will give all the juices and food and accommodation and water and electricity and bed and everything free for them. In that money, including in that money only, we will buy the foods and vegetables and diets, and all these things will be there added into their treatment. So they no need to pay any special fee for me, and we will be charging them all their ingredients, whatever we are buying for them. They have to pay those things. My service is free. That's true. After that, God healing them, and if they want to give anything, they have a lot of needs in the church, they can donate something in the God's temple. That will be remains forever. That's true.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How do you get to?
Yeah, I have been treating with many patients, nearly 400 patients. I have been treated with a lot of patients from the Sunday pastors background, especially pastors and pastors' wives, and also believers. And mostly I have been dealing with kidney stones and gallbladder stones and intestines diseases like constipations and those kind of diseases I have been treating, and mostly diabetic cases and high BP cases also I am dealing here. And some of the cases, nearly 6-7 cases are with the cancer, which is esophagus cancer and throat cancer, those things, and I am dealing with those things. And the symptoms is if they have any reports, we will ask them. If they have undergone through any investigations, we will ask them to bring their reports. When they bring their reports, we can come to know what is the disease in the report, because mostly if we suspect anything, we will send them for further investigations. Mostly when they are bringing those reports and we are finding out the disease from their reports, then we will start our treatment. If they have high BP, high blood pressure, just we will simply give them foot massage and we will give them beet juice. And beet juice is very powerful to make them BP normal, blood pressure. And also we have the program which is 5 days detoxing program. In this 5 days detoxing program, we will detox their liver, and we will detox their intestines, we will detox their skin, we will detox their lungs, we will detox their blood through drinking by natural good vegetable juices and things, and we will detox their skin. So these 5-6 major organs in our body we will detox in this 5 days program. When we detox, eliminate the toxins from their body, and automatically body will be restart again. Because God has designed our body, it is a automatic machine. No need to tell anything. It will give you some signs, it will give you some symbols which is it has sick, and it will give you some signals. If you not understand the signals, you will get more and more sickness. Because our body was designed by God, it is a automatic healing properties God already replaced. That's one we called it is white blood cells, which is we have a automatic immunity system, automatic restarting system. Now what we do in this 5 days program, we clean their body through eating raw juices and drinking raw juices and eating raw salads and fruits. There is no food, no roti for this 5 days program. We give only fruits and juices and massage and stream bath and detoxing with the isotonic sea water. We will make them to drink normal water and sea water and the rain water. The 3 waters we will mix in a jar according to their weight. We will give this one. When they drink that one, they will go to the motion on 5th day. And 5th day, 4th day night, we will give them the liver detox with olive oil and limes. And when we give them whole night, their liver will be releasing all the toxins in their stomach, and all the toxins will come in the stomachs, and gallbladder stones will be coming in their stomach, and gallbladder stones will be coming at early in the morning. When they go to the toilet, we will give them a bucket, and in that bucket they will pass their motion. Then we can see lot of stuff, all the fatty things, all these toxins, and it is called in medical terminology, it is a mucoplaque. It is like a very thick part in our intestines. It is stucking inside, and no medicine can remove that one. Only through this 5 days detoxing program, all this stuff will be coming out from their intestines in the bucket. When they see those things, we will lively put that one on the mat, and we will show how many worms came out, how many maggots came out, how much fat and how much meat stuff and how much cholesterol and how much all this stuff came out from their body. We will show them all this on the mat. They can see live. We will do the video record too, and we have lot of records. I will show you, and you can go to YouTube and you can click Living Waters Mission India School Satanapalli. You can see all the programs in the live. I put few videos in the YouTube, and there you can see how the gallbladder stones came out, how the people are giving the testimony, what kind of disease they came before, and now what God had done in their life, they are giving the testimony. So this medical missionary work is a very powerful work, and it can guarantee your body to be a very healthy, because it's obeying to completely God's law. When we obey God's law, and nothing will come around us, because God will be protecting us. That's what the medical missionary work is very important in our midst, among our churches. Yeah, I have been treating with many patients, and still already you saw many phone calls are coming, and you please come here and teach us about the health mission. Among the Sunday, I am going many places among the Sunday, because Sunday pastors are they like this message, because they are eating lot of meat products and things. Even though Seventh-day Adventist people are eating the meat and all these things. That's why God has taken out the light from them, and God is giving this light to those who are humbly walking and making their body as a temple of the Lord. Yes. Yeah.
So someone attends your training classes.
Yeah.
systematically,
Yeah.
You charge them, or is it free?
Yeah, actually, if they want to come and attend for the training class, especially they want to know, it is not a 1 week or 2 weeks program. At least we will take 1 month or 2 months, because they must deal with serious cases also. And when they are here, we will call some patients to do the practical. When they see the practical, then only they can experience how to deal with the diseases and how to deal with the practical. So the charges means when they are here, we need to provide those things. We maybe need something to charge to them, because we are also independently working here. We have not decided any money for the charge, but in future, if God allows, we will be doing the thing. If anybody is interested, let them come, and they can learn the thing, and whatever it is, if God gives, we can do the thing. Yeah. Yes.
And one thing I would like to
Yes,
ask,
please.
it seems to me that you prefer natural remedies than drugs, medicine. So can you tell us why?
Yeah, because the drug is the pharma is very big atom bomb. It's like a time bomb to kill the people, because when we go to the hospital and the doctors are prescribing 5 to 6 tablets, actually he need only 1 tablet is enough for the disease. But the doctors are preferring, because I know some of my close friends are doctors still, and I have been discussing with them. I am sharing what I am doing, and they say that how you doing that? Because our work is divine work. It is not, people cannot understand our work. Our work is divine work. So that what I am teaching to them and what I am asking them, why you people are writing all these 6-7 medicine? Because they want to satisfy their boss, otherwise they can't pay their salary. And okay, that's okay. They are doing for their business or their surveying of their job. And when we are using those 6 or 7 tablets in our body, one tablet is enough for our disease. Remaining 6 tablets, where it is going? It is affecting other area, other organ. And that's why what we are doing, and especially we have to understand the principle of Bible. Our body not made with medicine. Our body made with the mud, the clay. Why God made a human being or Adam with the clay means, the clay, from the mud, all the vegetables is growing. When we eat the natural vegetables and the herbs and plants, this is very good attachment to our bodies. Our body will accept this vegetarian diet, especially because the vegetarian things will growing from the body. Our human body also came out from the mud. When the mud is producing, when the earth is producing the vegetarian fruits and natural remedies or natural thing, our body is 100% accepting this thing. Our body not made with medicine and pharma. Our body is not a formula. Our body is from the mud, and the life what we are having, it is the birth of breath of God, and God breathed the man alive. So God has given us this principle of Genesis chapter 1 verse 29. From this one we will learn lot of lessons, because God made our body from the mud, and whatever the mud will produce, the vegetarian fruits and vegetables and plants and protein plant is 100% acceptable to human body. But human body not made from the pharma or B complex tablet. The human body doesn't designed from the pharmaceutical industry. The body was designed by God, and it came out from the mud, and whatever the earth is producing the natural food, that is 100% acceptable. That's what those things are, the natural remedies for our body. That's why when we accept God, and we have to accept the natural remedy whatever God has given in the planet earth, not the pharmaceutical. I am not saying that medicine is wrong, but medicine also at certain time it is needed to survive people like in emergency. But God has given lot of things. We have papaya leaf. This is very good alkaline papaya leaf, and we doesn't know how to use the papaya leaf. And the garlic is the natural antibiotic, powerful than antibiotic amoxicillin and potassium clavonate. And this is a very powerful ingredient in our kitchen. One garlic can kill cancer. Very simple remedy. And we have wheatgrass, and we have lot of herbal plants in outside. We have to know those things. And during those time, all our pioneers used to be use only the natural remedies. There is no medicine at all during that time. They use garlic and ginger and lime and honey and all these things. And his disciples also, in one part in Kings we see they made one leaf to be dilute the poison in the food, and all the disciples eaten. In the book of Kings we see that one. When they are going to eat the food, there is a poison. Someone find out there is a poison in the food, and the prophet Elijah says that you bring one leaf and put it inside, and whole poison gone out. Why God put all the natural healing properties in the herbs and plants and seeds and nuts and vegetarian fruit? Because God put all the medicine in the vegetables and fruits and nuts. That is the good medicine for our human body. No other natural formula medicines. Only God has put the seeds and vegetables and all these fruits, nuts and seeds are the good food for us, and through that we can get healing. And by obeying God's law and by believing Him, God can heal any disease. So that's why I am not preferring mostly go for the medicine. And there are many diseases. If you obey to the Lord, God can cure, God can heal. No need to go for the medicine. The medicine is designed to reduce the population, and medicine designed to kill the people with other kind of diseases. Unknowingly people are using those medicines, so they are getting sick. We have to teach this awareness to the people, especially our church brothers and OTG group brothers and church believers. So in emergency case we can introduce the medicine, but remaining time God has given lot of natural herbs.
Thank you.
Yes.
Your view with regards to medicine, the use of medicine, does this include homeopathy and Ayurvedic?
Actually, I can tell all the medicine whatever the homeopathy or Ayurvedic things which is coming from the natural plants and herbs, that is okay for our body. But whatever the formula made and introducing the formula, providing the vitamins and minerals to be making as a formulas and as a tablets, that is very dangerous to our bodies. And whatever we are using the natural Ayurvedic things from the herbs, I prefer those things. The herbs is the good medicine for us, and especially the food is medicine for us, because when we eat good food, when we put a good vegetarian diet in our body will be healthy. We no need to think about any other medicine. When we go for the natural herbs are the good medicine for our bodies, the fruits and nuts and seeds, those things. Don't use any English medicine. Don't visit any doctor, because you should know the natural healing, how to heal the natural things by the eating of good vegetarian diets and things. I have been treating many patients. They are very happy, still they are very healthy, and God is healing their bodies, and God is healing their sickness, and they seeing power of God through the natural healing method. Yeah,
So,
that's true. There is nothing hard to God. God can heal any sickness. Cancer is a not big disease. So I have been treated with HIV/AIDS patients also. Still they are alive. Because when we detox our body, when we eliminate all the toxins from our body, and God replace our body with the healing power. Yeah.
how many patients have you treated?
Yeah, I have been treated nearly 6 cancer patients, and few are died after few months, and few are surviving still. Because when we tell them this natural food system is also very difficult to eat in their families, because it is a bit expensive things for the poor people, those who got the thing, but those who can able, they are still surviving. Still they are surviving. God is healing them, and they are on this earth. Yes.
What about HIV?
Yeah, HIV patients, we don't have any medicine to heal HIV patients, but we will detox them, and we will tell them what to eat and what to not to eat, and we will tell them what is the right diet for their body to improve immunity system, to fight against the cells. So we will tell them this healthy program after detoxing 5 days or 10 days, and we will introduce them about the natural food. If they follow that diet, they can be surviving many years. No need to fear about the HIV/AIDS and cancer and diabetic and all those things. Yes. Yeah, I welcome you. If anybody want to interest, I need some also workers here when the camp is running. If anybody want to willing come here, if they want to come here and know, I am ready to teach them, because this skill must be teach to everyone, because we don't know what is going to be happen tomorrow. Today is ours, so tomorrow is not ours. So that's why I am ready to teach these skills. I am ready to teach these natural healing methods and all these remedies. So if anybody willing to, brothers or sisters want to know, and they want to come for the training for 1 week or 1 month or 2 months, I welcome them. Let them come here. We are here to teach them, so they can go back and they can teach some people, they can treat people. That can be a right arm for the church. That can be a right arm for the God's kingdom. So they can be very helpful to you. So you can send someone to help me, and if they want to come and learn, I am ready to teach them. And if you are opening the door to come down there to teach for these things, we will be teaching there. No problem. We will see how God will go, and how God will lead and guide us. Yeah, that's things.